In this guide, you will learn how to fix Discord GIFs not loading or working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is search for Control Panel and launch it. Now, make sure View by is set to large icons. Now click on the option Network and Internet Settings. Then click Change Adapter option. Now double-click your Wi-Fi connection, select Properties, choose Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties and set it to use the following DNS server addresses. Type in 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS, then click OK. Now head over to the option Internet Protocol version 6. Here you need to type in these. In this section, use the following DNS server. After you type in these, click on OK. Now, open Discord and press Ctrl+R to reload it. Then click the GIF icon and check the GIFs now load correctly. Lastly, launch Discord and click on the settings icon. Navigate to the section Accessibility. Here you're gonna find the option Automatically Play GIF when Discord is focused. Toggle on for that option, and that's it. GIF will play automatically without needing to hover or click. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.